Hey folks, Don Higgins. Today we're going to talk about a topic that I get a lot of questions about. I've had this topic submitted on our podcast several times. I get private messages on social media, emails, people asking the question at seminars and such. And the topic that we're going to discuss is Doe Factories. Somebody has coined the term Doe Factory, and apparently if you do not manage your property correctly, it just becomes a home for does and there's no place left for bucks, especially mature bucks. And I've got to say that I just don't understand the whole phrase, because I've never seen such a thing as a Doe Factory. When it comes to a buck, and especially a mature buck, what they want more than anything else is security, freedom of human intrusion. That's a big buck's number one goal. He wants to be free of human intrusion. He don't want to be disturbed by people. And if that requires him to bed on a property where does are just stacked up tight, so be it. He'll bed there. So don't get caught up in the Doe Factory myth. If you talk to any of my neighbors, any of them, they're going to tell you that I've got more does on my property than anybody in our entire township. But you know what? I also got more big bucks. Here's proof right beside me. Forget about the Doe Factory myth.